Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make strawberry lemonade. I'll be showing you how to make it step by step. First, we are gonna make syrup. On a stove, combine 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. Place on medium-low heat and stir until sugar is dissolved. And then set it aside. Now we need to make 1 cup of lemon juice. This is our lemon juice that I just squeezed. Then we are going to drain it so we can remove the seeds. Next, we are going to blend 1½ cup of sliced strawberries, with ½ cup of water. And then you blend it. Now you are going to pour your strawberry juice into this pitcher. And then you pour your syrup that we have made. After that, add 2 cups of water. And then mix it well. Now we're going to pour it into this cup. And it's done. Here's our strawberry lemonade. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And turn on the notification bell so you will get notified every time we post a video. Bye-bye.